We are pleased to show you the 2018 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.